If you want to add some fruit to your diet and want to know which is the best, keep watching. So you should be adding fruit to your diet because it's low calorie, has a lot of nutrients and vitamins. It has a low glycemic index, meaning it's not going to spike your blood sugar up. Has a lot of antioxidants. What that means is it stops oxidation in your body, which causes things like cancer, other issues. So that's good. Has a lot of fiber, helps your body go through its movements fine. Has a high water content if you struggle drinking a lot of water. And of course, it's tasty and has a lot of variations from bananas to apples to oranges. So here's a little list of things you can add into your diet. Everything is based on 100 grams to keep things equal. First is apples. It has calories 52 per 100 grams. Then you got grapefruits, which is 42 calories per 100 grams. Vitamin C, by the way, is 52% of what you need. Then we got blueberries. Calories per 100 gram is 56. Then we got kiwis, which is freaking crazy because, first of all, 61 calories per 100 grams. But vitamin C is 154% of your daily needs, which is nuts. And then watermelon. This one has a high water content. It's great for a summer day. It's only 31 calories per 100 grams. And then oranges, of course, vitamin C, 88%. Awesome. And then 47 calories per 100 grams. Great for sports, all that kind of stuff, easy to pack. Then you got bananas, which is great in vitamin C, and vitamin B, which is 20% of what you need per 100 grams. That leads you to 89 calories. And then, of course, everyone's favorite avocado toast thing, avocado, 159 calories per 100 grams. Great in healthy fats. Vitamin B, 15%, 7% magnesium. And then we got the pears, 57 calories per 100 grams. Strawberries, 33 calories per 100 grams. You can add it into desserts, whipped cream on it, cakes, all that kind of stuff. And then finally, pineapples. Calories, 50 per 100 grams. Nice extra thing you can add in there.